Nathan Beats.
Nigga, I don't ride for my niggas, nah. What? Yeah, I ride for my niggas. I don't ride for my niggas, nah. What? Nigga, I ride for my niggas cause these niggas fiendin'. Niggas tryna leech off me. No! Stay fiendin'. Niggas tryna leech off me. No! Fuck it. Go to the strip club. My niggas, yeah, we gon' ball out. This one, he always asks for a drink though. I'm like, fuck it, yeah, ball out. We drank 5, 6, and 7 bottles. We fucking with all the fine ass mottos. But like the ones that's in the top models. They taking pictures, yeah, you know they swallow. You know I'm touching trees up like Apollo. You know I'm out of space like Apollo. I'm smoking killer ass funk, dog. And I'm burning on this damn skunk, y'all. I got a blunt lit, yeah, you see this shit. My bitch telling me she needs some new shit. I tell that bitch, chill out, get the bread. And after that, bag it up and give me head. Burning on that OG, running truckers. And you know I be fries, yeah, I got checkers. Bitch, you know me, I be chest chasing. Cause all these niggas out here get that chest playing. AK-47 with extended clips. And there ain't no movie, it's just extended shit. And I be hitting niggas up real quick. And I ain't even lying on some real shit. I almost caught a homie back in 2000. And then I lined out for 2000. What the fuck the world's gonna come to? The government always trying to screw you. But bitches, yeah, they always trying to screw too. So is it bitches or the government that screw you? Middle fingers, fuck you. Bitch, you know, I'm that dude. And you know I sell that dog food. I ain't talking the shit you give the dogs, dude. I'm talking brown like Chris Brown. Nigga mean that Ray Charles get you down. And I ain't even need to beat the rhyme, dog. Infrared shot of you, yeah, you know it sound off. And you know I hit your ass with that sawed off. Matter of fact, I do some jigsaw, saw off. Niggas know I'm on my bitch, yeah, you get it right. My money bagging up, yeah, I get the brick. I bag a shit down for the 26. My niggas sell them O's for a 13.5. I'm like, chill, son, sell them for 11. I mean, I'm doing this shit like 7-Eleven. I sold them crack rocks at 7-Eleven. And you know, at the beach got 3 shades. One white, one red bone, one dark skin, the African, Dominican, that is my fucking plug. And if a nigga talk shit, I plug him like a plug. So if a nigga murk off, he murk off. I hit his ass off with that salt off. I pump his ass up with that fucking lead. Mechanical pencil, thumb that nigga, my nigga. Well, if you know what I mean, you know what I did. I'm smoking on that cushy kush, you know what it is. My name is B-O-N K-E-Y, yeah, I got them damn pies. If a nigga talking 38, he kinda high. But I be talking 28, I'm that type of guy. Holla at your boy, yeah, holla at your partner. Your partner telling me that your guys got problems. My niggas got shit that'll solve these problems. The homicide people gonna call these problems. In the streets, bitch, we in the streets. And I'm riding my shotty, yeah, I'm riding 4 deep. I got 3 more guns, that mean I'm riding 4 deep. I put the pool stick in your ass like LOL.